Well, so many people are weighing in and saying that this could potentially be the end of Uber. So we're going to talk about it today. Please thumbs up this video, my friends. Gas prices are through the absolute roof. There's people on social media boycotting gas, actually taking 3 days off from filling up their gas tanks to fight this. Joe Biden asked for gas stations to lower their price of gasoline, which doesn't make any sense to me. And today is the first start of Uber drivers going on strike across the nation. Now, could all of this combination really mean the end of Uber? We're going to talk about it today. Even the Uber's head of rides just left the company. He's gone. He's gonzo. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi, he is flipping out. I don't know how that man sleeps at night. Anyways, before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. I just got my Current card in the mail. If you know Current pays Uber and Lyft drivers 2 days faster. There are no fees on overdraft if you ever go negative $200. They pay you every single time you fill up gas. And they pay you 4% APY, which is the highest I've seen. My Bank of America app pays me 0.04. So Current pays 100 times higher in interest. So check out Current with the link below. You can sign up. I tried checking it out, putting in $100. I'm already starting to earn some interest. It goes up every single day, which I love. There's no fees, no account minimums, no credit checks. Sign up below for Current and let's get started. So, new report just came out. How safe is Uber for drivers and passengers? The company's safety report has startling findings. This is an article on MSN.com. Uber released a safety report saying that the reported number of SA, if you guys know what that means, has decreased, which is actually really good, but the amount of fatal accidents have gone up. More people are dying in Uber cars due to accidents. Why? Are the drivers texting and driving? Are other cars texting and driving and crashing into Uber cars? Are there, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Rideshare company received a total of 3,824 reports of SA and misconduct between 2019 and 2020, with the riders as the accused party 43% of the time. Wow, that's actually shocking. So drivers are the victims almost half the time. I don't know. I don't know. 78, this is crazy. 78-page report also highlighted major vehicle fatalities, recording 101 individuals dead from crashes, aka 2 per week, and fatal physical assaults, which took the lives of 20 during incidents during Uber. 20 physical assaults? Yeah, people attacking drivers. It attributed other findings to risky driving and a rise in violent crime in 2020. Data also showcased that 2020 was the deadliest year on United States roads since 2007. Because everyone texting and driving. Comment below, have you ever texted and driven? I guarantee you, and be honest, okay? The police isn't watching. Comment down below, let's have an honest day. And you know, if you want to change and start being a better driver, just comment below, yes, I have texted and driven before, acknowledge that you have, and say, I'm going to stop doing that today. Let's all start right now, because we all need to work together to be safer drivers. Now, listen to this, gas prices. This Uber driver says, this is an Uber driver in New York City. She says, gas prices have hurt our wages so badly that it's hard to pay her bills. Naomi Agutu is the president of New York City Rideshare Club, which advocates for app workers. Agutu says gas prices and the loneliness of job are challenging, but the pandemic showed how essential rideshare services are. I've been an Uber driver for 6 years. She's the president of New York City Rideshare Club. Our club is part of a larger coalition, Justice for App Workers, which includes 9 rideshare groups. We recently staged a caravan protest in Manhattan over how rideshare apps are handling the gas prices. So they took all their cars and staged a protest. And how are drivers handling, how are these companies handling gas prices? Well, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi cut the gas fuel surcharge for Uber Eats drivers, for delivery drivers. If you drive for Uber, you're most likely doing both rideshare rides and delivery rides. So you're not getting paid the gas surcharge on those delivery rides. Whoop-de-doo. I mean, not whoop-de-doo, but like, alert, this is news. If you didn't know that, Uber just took it right out, if you guys didn't notice. Why? Makes no sense to me. You're still driving your mother effing car. Who's coming up with these rules? Oh, and by the way, if you do a 4-mile ride or an 80-mile ride, you're getting a 50-cent bonus for gas. So does Uber think that driving 4 miles and driving 80 miles is the same? Maybe the 4-mile ride should have 50 cents. Maybe the 80-mile ride? On that note, if you're doing 50 cents per 4 miles, you should be getting $40 on the 80-mile ride. And yet it's 50. It doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, lastly, the strike is occurring. So, if you guys didn't know, on July 4th, a lot of Uber drivers, a lot of Lyft drivers, I don't know why, but on this day, on the 4th of July, Independence Day, celebrating America, Uber drivers want to be, this is on federal holiday. It's almost like when you're trying to launch a show in the middle of the Super Bowl, it's like, well, I don't know, people are going to be out celebrating America, Independence Day. But listen to this, Cordial Demon wrote this on Reddit. Starting July 4th, there will be strikes for 60 days. During 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., drivers will not be online. This is our way of fighting for better wages. This is our way of fighting for improved safety for drivers. By joining in together, we hope to deliver a message: we've had enough. This is on the Uber drivers subreddit. 115 comments. One of the top comments said, okay, you're organizing a strike, great, but it's 3 days until the strike, and now are you trying to organize? How many people have confirmed? Did anybody bother to contact Uber and tell them why we're striking or try to negotiate? If you did anything to prepare, then Uber is going to notice it, or if you did nothing to prepare, then all Uber is going to notice is 100 out of 1 million drivers are offline and will give less than 0 SHs. And then another person said, of course, there's many other facts, but nothing starts perfect. At least he's trying. This has been tried many times. There will always be drivers who don't care and go online for surges that end up happening. What do you guys think about strikes? I'm assuming most of you guys are not going on strike. Most of you guys have bills to pay. I know I have bills to pay. What do you guys think? Will you be striking? Do you think, really going offline every single day from 6 to 9 p.m.? I don't know. I don't know if that's the best way to handle the wages, but let me know your thoughts on this one. And could this really be the beginning of the end of Uber? Talk to you soon. And sign up for Current. My link down below. You can just check out Current. This is my card that I use. And you can join me and 3 million other people. Talk to you soon. Bye now.